Hi, friends. Welcome to my 30-day diet series. Every day for the next 30 days, I'll share simple tips, what to eat, when to eat, and how to stay healthy step by step. Day 1. Why a healthy diet? Today, let's talk about why a healthy diet is so important for your life. So what should you eat every day? Fruits and vegetables, at least 2 to 3 servings for vitamins and fiber. Protein, eggs, chicken, fish, beans, or lentils to keep you strong and full. Healthy carbs, brown rice, oats, whole wheat bread instead of white rice or white bread. Healthy fats, nuts, seeds, olive oil, avocado for long-lasting energy. And don't forget, drink enough water daily. If this helped you, like and subscribe for tomorrow's diet lesson. And tell me, which country are you watching from? Comment below.